Lesson 27, Literary Devices. Practice 1, Identify imagery and sound devices. Figurative language is a literary device that appeals to any of the 5 senses: taste, touch, smell, hearing, and sight. Imagery and sound devices are kinds of figurative language. Follow along and listen as I read the poem Beach Day. The sun shines high in the cloudless sky, and we shield our eyes from the bright light by retreating to the shade made by many colorful umbrellas: yellow, red, green, and pink. When the afternoon gets too long and hot, we go into the ocean to cool off. Splishing and splashing in the salty surf, white-capped waves wash over us. Imagery helps readers to picture or feel what is happening. Look at the first stanza. The phrase yellow, red, green, and pink helps me picture what the umbrellas look like. Look at the second stanza. What do the words hot and cool tell you about the feeling of the day and the ocean? 2 kinds of sound devices are alliteration and assonance. Alliteration is when the same consonant sound is repeated in nearby words, such as the sound in made and many in the first stanza. Assonance is when the same or almost the same vowel sound is repeated. Unlike rhyme, which occurs at the end of a word, assonance may occur in the middle of a word. Look at the words shines, high, and sky. What vowel sound do you hear? The long I. Look at the second line. What other words have the long I sound? Eyes, bright, light. Let's reread the first stanza and listen for more examples of alliteration and assonance. The sun shines high in the cloudless sky, and we shield our eyes from the bright light by retreating to the shade made by many colorful umbrellas: yellow, red, green, and pink. Did you hear the repeated s sound in the words sun, sky, shines, shield? That is alliteration. How about the E sound in shield, retreating, and the long A sound in shade, made? That is assonance. Reread the second stanza of Beach Day and identify at least one example each of assonance and alliteration.